Do you have a small balcony, a tiny patio? Don't worry, you can still have a beautiful garden. Container gardening is the answer. It's easy and fun. Turn your small space into a green oasis. Container gardening is perfect for small spaces. It allows you to grow flowers, herbs, and even vegetables. No matter how small your space, you can create a vibrant and colorful garden. Let's discover the joy of container gardening. Containers are like magic boxes for your plants. They are perfect for small spaces. You can move them around. Find the perfect sunlight for your plants. You can grow almost anything in containers, from bright flowers to tasty herbs. Lettuce, tomatoes, and strawberries thrive in containers too. Create your own mini farm. Choosing the right pots is important. You can use anything: old buckets, teapots, or even shoes. Make sure your pots have drainage holes. This prevents your plants from getting too wet. Terracotta pots are classic. Plastic pots are lightweight and affordable. Wooden containers add a touch of rustic charm. Choose what suits your style and your plant's needs. Think about your space. How much sunlight does it get? Choose plants that will thrive in those conditions. Some plants love sunshine, others prefer a bit of shade. For sunny balconies, choose geraniums, petunias, or marigolds. For shadier spots, try impatiens, begonias, or fuchsias. Don't forget about herbs. Rosemary, thyme, and basil are perfect for containers. Section 5. Soil, the foundation of your garden. Use good quality potting mix. This provides the nutrients your plants need. Don't use garden soil. It doesn't drain well in containers. Potting mix is light and airy. This helps the roots of your plants to grow strong. Healthy roots mean healthy plants. Add some slow-release fertilizer to your potting mix. This will give your plants a boost throughout the growing season. Section 6. Water wisely. Watering is crucial for container plants. They dry out faster than plants in the ground. Check the soil regularly. Water when the top inch feels dry. Don't overwater. Too much water can harm your plants. It can lead to root rot. Make sure your pots have drainage holes. This allows excess water to escape. Section 7. Reaching new heights. Vertical gardening. Don't let limited space hold you back. Think vertical. Use wall-mounted planters, hanging baskets, or tiered plant stands. Create a stunning vertical garden. Strawberries are perfect for hanging baskets. Their runners will cascade beautifully. Trailing plants like petunias and verbenas also look stunning in hanging pots. Let your creativity bloom with vertical gardening. Section 8. Caring for your container garden. Container gardening is easy, but your plants need a little TLC. Remove any dead or wilted flowers. This encourages new blooms. Check your plants for pests and diseases. Treat them promptly if you spot any problems. Rotate your plants occasionally. This ensures that all sides get enough sunlight. Section 9. Creating your own blooming paradise. Container gardening is a wonderful way to bring nature to your doorstep. Even with a small balcony or patio, you can create a beautiful and thriving garden. Choose your favorite plants, find some unique containers, and let your creativity flourish. Enjoy the beauty of nature in your own little paradise. Happy gardening!